Hi, welcome to the wedding of Sarah and Thomas, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose beautiful sage green drapes and extravagant blossom tree centrepieces, giving every table a touch of elegance. Each guest had a personalised cookie as a favour. They chose a one-tiered cake covered with white icing and finished with flowers. They also provided individual cupcakes for their guests to enjoy. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Can't believe we're finally here, and I just wanna say I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. Comfy dates tacked on and dancing in the rain. Each day beside you showed this love would stay the same. Now we're standing face to face with our future in our hands. Everything just feels so right as the world begins to dance. I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. From this moment on till forever comes, every single day I'll choose us, I'll choose love. I do. This is a moment, waiting all my life for you. You're all I see, there's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. Until forever I do with you. First time I saw you smile across the room, my feet moved forward, couldn't help but groove. Something in the way you swayed that night made me believe that timing was right. Spinning faster with each passing day, holding closer, letting music play. Moving forward, never looking back, following this perfect track. Everything on my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain, we kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song, two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is As our hearts both beat, my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes us feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go
Thanks for watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centrepieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.